Ooh, we gotta talk because we're doing a haul today. I did not realize how much stuff I got from Boohoo until I saw the size of this package, and I saw the FedEx guy pull up and I knew it was mine. I was ready and I ran out there and I ended up having this, and also products sent from Goriana that I'm wearing today that I'm partnered with. So I'm here to go ahead and get into this haul, so let's dig into it. So the funny thing when you're recording is sometimes you miss out on things, and I hope I didn't miss out on this, but everything in this bag is from Boohoo, and I picked out pieces that were more like loungewear or things that have been kind of on my wish list, like type of items I wanted in my wardrobe. So I can't wait to share that all with you. I also have a jumpsuit that I will eventually tie-dye because I'm here for the tie-dye trend. I'm a sucker for a good trend. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing out of the bag is the washed hoodie and short set in the shade Dusty Rose. This does come in a few different colors. I am obsessed, however, with Dusty Rose. If you see any of my branding ever, I always have kind of like those cool like millennial pink mauve tones, and even like my favorite headband set from Amazon, which I did a video about all of my Amazon favorites that I will link for you in the cards. These are all in that shade. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I can't get enough of it. So I got a short set because I just wanted something comfy to wear. Looking at the length of this, I think it will cover. I picked up a size US 10. I used the size little tool on Boohoo, and I let that determine the sizes that I would get, and usually it's spot on for me. So I'm super excited to like get into this and wear it places. I plan on styling it with like Air Force Ones and like some high top little socks, just to give it a little bit of a vibe, and like one of those headbands. Like, it would be like cute, edgy, chic. Also, I get cold a lot of places. I don't need another hoodie, I promise you, because I live in Florida, which is like summer 1 and summer 2, but inside I get really, really cold. And I always like to have like a nice little layer to layer on and keep the chill off. With that being said, this is not super thick at all, so I feel like it is easy to wear in this climate, and if I'm not wearing it, I can just tie it around my waist. But I am obsessed with this short set. It's like the only short set I have. I can't believe it because I always wear leggings. Alright, so next out of the bag is the tie waist straight leg jogger. I actually got this from an idea from my friend Jaleesa to like just do your own tie-dye sweatpants set, you know, situation, and I did not know where to find one because Amazon was sold out, but sure enough, Boohoo had it. Now, these do not have elastic at the ankle, so you would be able to cuff them over or under to style them a little bit more zhuzhed up. But I also picked this up in a large based on the size recommendations, and again, like I said, I tend to go up in size on these fast fashion websites just to avoid any issues. But I do like anything high-waisted with a nice little tie to cinch it in, and I cannot wait to do the tie-dye on this, and I can't wait to show you all. So of course, next up has to be the sweatshirt that I got to go with those joggers, because I'm going to tie-dye this as well. There's no pocket detail, it's just plain. This one is called the recycled oversized sweatshirt, and again, I bought it in large just to buy it oversized. Honestly, the tops I can always go probably with a true medium. I just gotta be a little wary of my bust, but I did want it to be like an oversized, comfy fit. That way I can pair it with so many options. Another cool thing about this is that it is made from recycle. So on the tag it has repeat Boohoo, repeat Boohoo. So that's really cool that they do incorporate some sustainability. I am trying to become more conscious of that. I do like recycling a ton. Like I'm trying to do better. We gotta take care of the earth, but you can take care of the earth and be fashionable. Alright, so next out of the bag isn't exactly loungewear, but I couldn't pass up on this item because I've been wanting something like this. But I got the woven tie front oversized sleeve crop top in black in a size US 10. I really like the tie front sexy look. I can sometimes be very self-conscious about my bust just because, I mean, let's just be real, like what you see on Instagram and all these Instagram models are like implants. So like when you see like your natural and they kind of just a little lower, like you're like, oh, like you have a moment. But if I feel like I am, in all honesty, I know one is stupid, but also I'll just own it. I'll probably wear a bralette underneath it, or like a little lacy bra detail. But I do love this. I'm so happy I got it. I don't know where I think I'm going to wear this, but I'll shoot an outfit photo in it for Instagram. I like to post outfits over there a lot, and I have been playing dress up at home and posting there. But yeah, I'm really happy I got this. Finally found the right piece. All right, next out of the bag is another piece where I'm like, where do you think you're going? But it's a piece also I have been on the hunt for, and not to overspend, because what I got is actually just these called a Satin Corset top, and I see things very similar to this on other sites that are on like the end of like $60. And for pieces like this, I don't really like to splurge on, but I have been wanting something like this. You can do it again with like the high-waisted jeans. You can put it over like a button up. They had that styled like that on the website, which I'm very inspired by that. And again, I got this in a US size 10. I think I wanted it in black, but it was sold out, so I just settled for this one. But I think it's gonna be like a cute little zhuzhy vibe. So next out of the bag is this guy right here. This is the mini croc structured crossbody. I am obsessed with the small bag trend. I don't need another handbag, but I don't have one in white at the same time, nor is it capturing on this trend. There are like designer versions, and I'll be honest, I have designer handbags, but I'm just not in the market for that right now. But I do want to get a piece of this trend, and this is actually a lot larger than what I thought it would be. Now I'm gonna have to let this like kind of like sink in and stretch out and get it shaped back, because it was packed pretty tightly, but it's totally possible to do so. The other thing I don't always like about these handbags are the chains that come with it. I think they look really, really cheap. And I know, okay, it is what it is. It's like an affordable handbag. Like, I get it. But I am nitpicky about details. However, I do have like these straps, or like this chain, that you can actually attach to the handbag in lieu of the one that comes with it, and I got it from Amazon, so I'll definitely swap it out. I have it in like 4 colors, ranging from gold to brush gold to like gunmetal to silver, so they can go with all my bags, and I can have either the chain detail just to accent or swap it out completely. So I hooked on like the little luxe chain, that's what I'm just gonna call it, and you see like it looks so much better than the one that comes with it. It's thicker, it's more pronounced, it's like much more brilliant looking, and it honestly, it elevates the bag. Like, you wouldn't know really how much it costs until like sometimes you look at the small details of it, but if you just swap out the chain, it looks immediately better. It's like an instant little facelift for it. Last from the bag is the basic hoodie and jogger tracksuit. Again, I just want to kind of complete the realm of basics, make sure I have all the colors covered. I'm normally in a lot of black and gray, and I thought this would be a great add in because I already have like black joggers and a black sweatshirt. So these I do like. It has just a tie waist finish, so it's a functional tie waist, not just for decor or detailing. It has riveting finish, so it's nothing like frame where the tie goes into the waist area. Also, it does have like elastic ribbing finish at the ankles just to cinch it there, so you don't, it's not a loose fit at the ankle at all, unlike the other ones that I showed in white. I have thought of also tie-dyeing these, but I'm really thinking I'll just leave them as is, because truly right now when I'm going to the grocery store, I just want to be comfortable and functional. Sometimes I feel like I just throw on the glam face and want to stick with the basics. So that's why I definitely had to pick these up. Okay, so I'll touch on the pricing and shipping just so you know. I took advantage of one of those store-wide sites. I didn't have any extra discount codes. I didn't even hunt for one because I think it was like 60% off of everything. So I just took advantage of that. And usually on their homepage, they will throw up the advertisement that they're going after, and they always kind of signal it on this site so you can know what's on promo. And take advantage of the promos because those are some good steals. As for shipping, it took exactly what I expected it to. I did not expect right away because 1, these items are coming from the UK, and 2, everything has slowed down a lot in the world if you're not aware. So it was no issue with the delivery. It came still nicely in the package. I got all the tracking updates. They were really good at communicating delays as well. Also, if you want anything that I showed in this haul for yourself, do not worry, just pop into the description box down below and I will have all product detail with links if they're still available, and if they're not, I will link something super similar and let you know it's similar. Also, those are affiliate links, however, they're no extra cost to you, but they do give me a little support. I appreciate it. Let me know which was your favorite item from the haul in the comments down below so we can chat and connect there, and you do not have to go anywhere. I'm gonna throw up the next video for you to binge on my channel and hang out with me some more. I think I know what you like, so I'll link it. Click on it. I'll see you there. I'll see you there.